Hello everyone! Welcome to Miss Corina's Reading Summertime Books. Today's story is called If You Give a Moose a Muffin. It is by Laura Jo Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Vaughn. If you give a moose a muffin, he'll want some jam to go with it. So you'll bring out some of your mother's homemade blackberry jam. When he's finished eating the muffin, he'll want another, and another, and another. When they're all gone, he'll ask you to make more. You'll have to go to the store to get some muffin mix. He'll want to go with you. When he opens the door and feels how chilly it is, he'll ask to borrow a sweater. When he puts the sweater on, he'll notice one of the buttons is loose. He'll ask for needle and thread. He'll start sewing. The button will remind him of the puppets his grandmother used to make. Soon he'll ask for some old socks. He'll make sock puppets. When they're done, he'll want to put on a puppet show. He'll need some cardboard and paints. Then he'll ask you to help make the scenery. When the scenery is finished, he'll go behind the couch, but his antlers will stick out, so he'll ask for something to cover them. You'll bring him sheets from your bed. When he sees the sheets, he'll remember he wants to be a ghost for Halloween. He'll try it on and shout, "Boo!" It'll scare him so much he'll knock over the paints. So he'll use the sheets to clean up the mess. Then he'll ask for some soap to wash it. He'll probably want to hang the sheets up to dry. He'll go outside to put it on the clothesline. When he's out in the yard, he'll see your mother's blackberry bushes. Seeing the blackberries will remind him of her jam. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him the jam, he'll want a muffin to go with it.